Hi friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change or edit your receipts in Wix. So in order to modify or change your receipts in Wix, you want to go ahead and look for settings on the left hand side and click on that. Now, under the settings section here, you will find receipts. You can click on this and you'll be able to modify your receipt. So here you can see a preview of my receipt. And I also have a little, let's say, teddy deer right here at the top as the logo. And basically every section on the receipt you are able to change or modify, right? So each section here, you'll be able to change. So have a look at this under the design. You can click and customize and you were able to see things such as the header, the title, the text, etc. Right? Items. So let's choose, for example, here you can see the size of the type of the receipt. You can see the header right there. That you can change that. You can even underline it, as you can see the word underline right here for receipts. Let me make it bigger so that you can see. And yeah, you can even make it italic. As you can see, you can change the color of it. If you don't want it to be that color, you can change it to whatever. And if you have hexadecimal, you can also put in the code there for it as well, right? You can even change the font if you want that as well. So if I want to use a different font, I can do that as well. So there's basically every section to it. The image is basically you can change image or you can add image to it, as you can see as well, right? So there's quite a bit that you can actually change. I'm going to just leave this right here and show you a bit more. So the number section, you can always change that as well. Other, you can always change this as well. So every section of your receipt here, you can see right here, you can change basically every single section of it. So if you're looking for how to edit the receipt, this is how you can actually do it. It's on the settings and it's on the receipt where you can change basically everything on the receipt. Once you're done with all of the changes, just simply click on save on the upper right and you will be able to save the receipt. And so that's it, guys. That's how you can easily edit, change your receipts on Wix.